This video is meant for you who doesn't use instruments when making music.
Music is a way to express yourself, saying stuff that you can't say with words. And just like when you are learning a new language, you need to both learn how to write it and speak the language. You don't need to be the world's greatest, just like you don't need to learn Latin or the whole English dictionary to say something meaningful. But a little will get you a long way, and I'm also sure that you will find it fun and meaningful to learn to play an instrument. So today I hope I can inspire you to try to play solo on the piano, play an instrument, do something that's not about thinking or drawing. There are 12 different notes in total. Each chord has 7 notes that fits perfectly and 5 less good notes. Often in a song it's the same 7 notes that fits to all the chords because the song is based around the same key, which has these specific 7 notes. They are placed so at least every other note is a good note. So if you play one of the less good notes, try to play the one before or after. For me, the most interesting notes are the 5 lesser good notes because they have the most character. They are not used every time we make a song. So I challenge you to play with them and explore and go on adventures using these notes that maybe in the beginning doesn't sound like a million, but by playing with them, you can make them sound like a million and you can create something unique.
How to
Play slowly, play like you are in slow motion, and listen to every note you play and sing along. Start with only moving 2 or 3 steps up and down. If it sounds boring, continue until it begins to be interesting for you. So, if I start here, then 1, 2, 3 up, or 1, 2, 3 down. So I kind of have this plus minus 3 notes up and down. If I hit a note I don't like, let's try to continue it. If you play a note that you didn't think sounded amazingly good, try to play it again and again and again until you start to become familiar with it. Because one of the big reasons to why people think it's scary to play solo is because what if they play something wrong? Let's try to use some of the 5 lesser good notes. That's a good note. That's good note. This is the biggest trick. If we learn to get familiar with all the mistakes we can make, then we can turn it into something good. And if we can't play a mistake, what is there to fear then? So basically we can turn playing solo into something that's completely fun, because it should be completely fun. And there's no reason to be afraid of playing a wrong note or a wrong anything. You simply just need to become friends with all 12 notes. And remember, playing solo is not about being good. But it's simply about having fun, so go and do it.
Exercises.
Play 1 or 2 bars and repeat it. Repeat. If you make a mistake, it's okay. So I make a new phrase. I repeat it. You. Remember, practice singing the notes that you're playing. If you can't sing them, then it's because you play something that's too difficult. So, practice singing the notes that you play slowly. Record what you play and use it in a tune. It can be like a solo, or it can be a melody, or you can turn it into the new voice melody. But use it and try to compose with playing the piano. And again, play slowly and listen to each individual note you play. Sing along. I hope that you can use some of these tricks, and I hope that you will try to compose and write and implement playing the piano on your tunes. Because I think that if we both are able to use our heads, our minds, our fingers and everything that we have, we are able to make the best music. So, if you like this video, please subscribe. Mm-hmm.